Hi there. So, as you may know, I'm offering an online introductory workshop to something called the Enneagram on Saturday, November the 13th. So, I just want to say a word or two about that might help you to decide whether you'd like to be there. Ennea simply means 9 in Greek, and the Enneagram is a system that details 9 distinct personality styles or life strategies. I often entitle my Enneagram workshops, Listen to Your Life. Now, you may think that's a pretty easy thing to do, to be aware of who we really are and what makes us tick. But in my experience, it's anything but easy. There are just, too many other voices that we have internalized that speak away inside, too many distractions from the outside that keep our attention elsewhere, which is why we need tools to help us. And I haven't discovered a more powerful, more perceptive tool for self-awareness or for understanding people around us than the Enneagram. I've been teaching the Enneagram for 20 years now, actually just over that. And whenever I share it in workshops or, with teams in organizations or in spiritual direction or couples counseling or whatever, I always feel as if I am passing on this amazing gift, a treasure that I wish I'd discovered many years earlier, not least because it would have saved me and my missus an awful lot of unnecessary hassle. I think if there's one thing worth investing in, it's ourselves, basically because we're worth it. So I'm pleased to be offering this workshop on Saturday, November the 13th. It'll be fun, I can promise you that, but it'll also be, I think, an enlightening day. And who knows, maybe a life-changing day. The Enneagram definitely changed my life because it helped me to understand myself and other people in a way that I never had before. So join me if you can. You can book by going to the shop section on my coffee page. And if you can't afford the £35, please just contact me and tell me what you can afford, and that will be fine. So I do hope that I'll see you on Saturday the 13th. Bye-bye.